In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design national flag of any country in QGIS using the shapefile. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So if you go online, you can see the national flag of various countries. You can see national flag of various countries, the color and the color combination. So you can just choose to pick anyone. We can pick anyone and design it in QGIS. So we can go through as many as possible. So let's just select one and design it in QGIS. Okay, let's pick Nigeria for example. And for us to pick Nigeria, we have to take note of two things here. Number one is take note of the color and the color combinations. For example, if you look at this very flag, you can see the color. We have three colors here and they are arranged in three places. If you look at Nigeria, Nigeria has two colors but arranged in three places. So two colors in three places. Take note of that. So let's go and design Nigeria flag in QGIS. If I open my QGIS, the first thing is to bring the shapefile of Nigeria or any country we are designing its national flag. In a previous video, I've shown you how to download the shapefile of any country. You can check the description box for that very video. So to bring in the shapefile of this country we are interested in, click here and navigate to the folder where you have the shapefile. So I have it here as Nigeria. Click on it and click open. Click on add. Click close. So now we have the shapefile of Nigeria. Now remember that Nigeria flag is made up of two colors arranged in three places. So it means we are going to divide this shapefile into three. So to do that, we need a plugin. Come to plugin and click on manage and install plugin. So we need a plugin called Polygon Divider to divide it. So under all, come to this search and search for Polygon Divider. So Polygon Divider, this is it. Because I have installed it already, that's why it's showing me uninstall. If you have not installed it, click on it. You see install here. Click on install, and after installation you click on close. So after you have installed the plugin, you have to come to vector. Come to vector and you will see Polygon Divider here. Then click on it. So it will bring this interface. Then input layer will be the polygon, in this case Nigeria. Then our outputs, click here and save it. Let's save it as divided polygon. Click on save. Then here, target area, we want to specify the number of polygons to be divided into. So remember, the color are 2 but arranged in 3. So it means we are dividing this shapefile into 3. So therefore, come to number of division, check it. So the number of division will be 3. Then the cut direction. If you go back online, the cut direction of Nigeria is from top to bottom or bottom to top. You can see it here. So let's go back. The direction of cuts, we will choose top to bottom. This top to bottom. Then tolerance, let's leave it at 0.1. Then this absorb off cuts, let's uncheck it and click on OK. So let's see the results. Yes, it is done. You can see it has divided Nigeria into 3. Now the next thing is to check the attribute table. So this is divided polygon we have done. Right click and open the attribute table. In this attribute table, you can see about 30 items whereas we divided into 3. This is because in Nigeria there are some islands. If your country has an island, expect something like this. We only divided it into 3, but because of some presence of some island in area, if I zoom here, you can see some island here. You can see some islands, especially in Calabar and Akwa Ibom. So those islands, because they were separated, that's why the software could not capture them and left them to be on their own. So the solution to this is that let's close this, then pick selection 2, then select this, and select this. These are the 3 major things we wanted that we have divided it into. Then right click on the layer and export it. Export selected features as. Click on it, then navigate to the folder where you want to save it. Let's save it as Nigerian flag. Click on save and click on OK. So it has been exported and it has been added to our map. If we come to that Nigerian flag, right click and open the attribute table. Now you can see only the 3 that we have divided the shapefile into. Now the next thing to do is to add another field. For example, you can just call it serial number. So to do that, put it in editing mode, because we will need this field to do design the flag. So put it in editing mode and add a new field. Click on it. Let's just call it serial number. Then make it a whole number and click OK. So it has been created. So here just put 1, here will be 2, and this one will be 3. So click on save and you can stop editing and close. So now to design the national flag, remember the color is green, white, green. So to do that now, right click on the Nigerian flag we are designing, open properties, then come here under single label, single symbol, change it to categorize. Then here the column we want to use to categorize will be our serial number. Then click on classified. You can see it has been classified. Now you can bring this one here and click on apply to see what you have done. Apply. Now when you apply, remember our color is green, white, green. Here green, white, green. So let's go back. So it means this one is green. Double click here and change the color to green. Click on OK. Then this one also is green. That is this one here, green. Let's change this green. Let's say this green. Yes. Okay. Then this one, change it to that same green. Then this one is white, the one in between. Change it to white. Click on OK. Then apply to see what I've done. Wow, this is beautiful. Nigeria. You can see the map, the flag of Nigeria with design from the shapefile of Nigeria. So you can design it for any country's shapefile. I hope this tutorial is helpful to somebody. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.